How to buy Ethereum for beginners, quick and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we'll be taking a look at how you can purchase Ethereum as a beginner. So let's get into it. Now the platform that we are using today is Binance, and it's very simple to get started and purchase any kind of crypto on Binance. So let's get into it. Now, Binance is the world's largest crypto platform out there, and to get started, all you have to do is create your account. So to create your account, you only need your email address, and once you have signed up via your email address, the second step is identity verification. So what you're going to have to do is go into your profile over here, go into your dashboard, and once you are in your dashboard, you're just going to simply head on over to your identification. So you're going to click on identification on the left side of your screen, and once you do that, you actually have to verify your identity. I have already done this step to show you guys how to purchase Ethereum. However, if you already have a Binance account and you want to purchase Ethereum but you have not completed identity verification, then you need to go on ahead and complete that first, because it's very essential for you to complete identity verification, because without that you will not be able to make any purchases or trades on Binance. Now, for identity verification, you only need to take like a picture of your passport, or take a picture of your driver's license or your national ID card, whatever you have at hand. Just take a picture of any of those items and go on ahead and upload that. It usually is verified within 48 hours, and once that has been completed, you can go on ahead and begin purchasing Ethereum. Now, there are a couple of different ways that you can do this. The first way is to deposit Fiat and then convert that Fiat into Ethereum. Now, this feature is not directly in the buy crypto section, or you could say it's in the bank deposit section. So what you're going to do is you can go into your wallet, you can go into your spot/Fiat, and you can click on deposit over here. So once you click on deposit, you're simply going to deposit Fiat. So you can choose any of your native currencies, and you can simply use a bank transfer, or there are some other methods that you can go on ahead and deposit with, and deposit your money into your crypto account in the form of Fiat or spot, and then you can trade that spot by going into the Binance trade section, and you can use this to either trade in the spot graphs or in a simple Binance convert. So you can go into the Binance Convert section, and you can choose any of the native tokens that you have bought and convert those into Ethereum. So the second token you're going to select will be Ethereum, and usually in your spot wallet you have tokens like USDT. So let's say you have USDT, so you're going to select that, and you're just going to enter the amount of USDT you want to convert into Ethereum, and just like that, you will have Ethereum in your crypto wallet. So that is one simple way for you to get started with purchasing Ethereum in your crypto wallet. So other than that, there are other ways that you can purchase Ethereum as well. Secondly, you have the same method, so you're going to go into your wallet, deposit the spot or Fiat, then you're going to click on the trade section, and you can go into the spot grid. Now, this is a little more complicated. However, the complications do yield you a bit more of a benefit, because you're going to be able to purchase Ethereum at a lower price. So over here, what you're going to do is you're simply going to go into the search section, and you're going to search for Ethereum, and you're going to choose whatever spot you selected. So if you had USDT that you purchased with your bank account, you're going to go with that, or if you have BUSD, you can go with that. So I'm going to open up USDT, and once you've done that, you can scroll to the bottom. Now you can see the overall prices, and on the left side of your screen, the green ones are the prices that people are looking to buy Ethereum for, and the red ones are the ones that are being sold at, so the transactions that are being completed. So currently, the marketplace exchange rate is 131248, and people are purchasing at 131249. So it's around the same price as the overall price. However, the offers are lower, and you can put in a lower price such as 1311, and you can possibly get a trade, or 1312.01. So you can save quite a lot of money in this method, although a lot of people think that this is negligible, but it is not actually that negligible when you're making a larger trade. So to be able to purchase that, you're simply going to go into your limit account, you're going to go into your spot trade, you're going to go into limit, you're going to enter the amount of USDT you want to spend, or the amount of Ethereum you want, and then you're simply going to click on buy Ethereum to purchase Ethereum in this fashion. So This is another simple way that you can purchase Ethereum. Now, after that, you also have other ways that you can purchase Ethereum directly if you don't want to, go with this more complicated methods. For some people, it's just too much of a hassle. So if you think that this is too much of a hassle, you can simply go into your Binance dashboard, click on buy crypto, click on bank deposit over here. And from here, you can choose any currency of your choice and then deposit with that. So you can click on continue. Then you're going to enter the USD amount and how much BUSD you will receive, and then you can convert that BUSD as I showed you guys in the trade section. Go into Binance Convert and trade that into Ethereum. Now, other than that, you can go into buy crypto. And you can also directly purchase Ethereum with your credit or debit card. So simply go on buy crypto, click on credit/debit card over here. And once you have clicked on credit/debit card, you're going to go into buy and you're going to enter however much amount of USD you want to spend. You can change this currency into any currency of your choice. So if you click on buy crypto, they will show you the currency that they are going to be denoting from. And you can select the currency of the native country that you are present in. Then you're simply going to enter the dollar amount or the currency amount that you want to spend. Then below that, you're going to select Ethereum over here. And just like that, it will show you the transactional process. So let's say I want to buy $90 worth of Ethereum, so it will show me how much Ethereum I will receive. So it will be 0.068 Ethereum. And once you have done that, what you're going to do is you're going to click on continue over here. Then you're just going to enter either your MasterCard or Visa card information to continue with your purchase and complete your Ethereum purchase on your Binance account with your debit or credit card. Now, other than that, you also have person-to-person trading. Now, person-to-person trading basically means when you are going to be buying directly from another person. This can usually yield you in lower transactional fees or conversion fees. And you can simply go onto the buy section over here, go in P2P, go in buy, then select Ethereum from the top section over here. Once you do that, you're going to be able to choose the fiat of your choice. So depending on where you're living, you can choose any kind of fiat. So it could be of your native currency, and then you can see the payment method. So a lot of different payment methods that are only available for your country will be available to you over here. These are more so like exclusive payment methods in which people will directly take payment from off the platform in another platform, and then they will show you the price of the token that they are selling at, the available amount that they have, and the limit that they have. So how much worth at a minimum that you have to purchase from that person. So in this way, you can purchase directly off another trader. Other than that, you also have express trading. So you can simply go on ahead and go into the express section in P2P Binance, and you want to select however much amount you want to spend. You can either put in the Ethereum and it will show you the money it will take, or you can put in how much money you want to spend, and then it will show you the equivalent in Ethereum. Click on buy with zero fee. And then you can choose the different options that you get. So you'll get a best transfer, a bank transfer, a easy paysa, or a Jazz Cash, depending on the location you are in. You can click on confirm purchase, and then after that, you're just going to go on ahead and continue with your purchase. Now, after that, you also have third-party payments. So other payment methods like Simplex or Banksa are also available. You're simply going to select Ethereum on this currency section. So you're simply going to change that and select ETH, and then it will show you guys a USD or whatever is your native currency. And for Ethereum, Banksa and Simplex are present as third-party payment providers. So in this way, you can buy Ethereum on Binance. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.